Hybrid car. It's quite common today that we Malaysians are familiar with a hybrid motif car. But do you guys know that there is one particular hybrid model that comes in a sport car form? Back in 2011, Honda Malaysia launched one sport car that is packed with a hybrid engine, and that model is the forgotten Honda CR-Z. It's Sik here, and today I got my hand on this pristine condition 2013 Honda CR-Z, and I'm gonna review this car inside out. The Honda CR-Z is regarded as the spiritual successor to the second generation Honda CRX in both name and the exterior design. And Honda CR-Z is the third Honda that is offered in a hybrid form after the Honda Insight and the Honda Civic, and it's also available in a manual transmission. Behind me, we have both the CVT and the manual version, but first, we will settle with this auto version first. The Honda CR-Z is equipped with a 1.5 litre iVTEC single overhead cam engine that uses the designated LEA, together with the Honda's Integrated Motor Assist or IMA. This petrol engine is packed with 116 horsepower at 6,600 RPM with 144 Nm of torque, while the IMA hybrid system offers 20 horsepower at 2,000 RPM and 78 Nm of torque at 1,000 RPM. The powertrain can be adjusted by 3-mode drive system that allows user to choose between the Econ, Normal and Sport mode. Each mode comes with their unique throttle and transmission tuning. The front features the HID projector headlamp together with the LED daytime running light and a large grille over here. Move along to the side of the car. The Honda CR-Z is originally equipped with the 185/55 R16 tires, wrapping the 5 twin-spoke alloys. But the one that we have here is fitted with the 215/55 R17 with the bigger wheels. At the back here, we can see a quite unique design for the Honda CR-Z, which mimic the inside as well as the Civic FN generation, with its split glass for the rear windscreen, which is ironically similar to the original Honda CRX. I do find that the design is quite cool, and that's it. But I also feel that the horizontal bar is quite annoying at a certain extent. At night perhaps, or maybe I'm the one not used to it. The boot space is rated at 225 litre with the useless rear seat up. Why? I'll explain later on. You get more space when the rear seat is folded down. Now, let's see the interior of the car. Do note that this car is coming from the era where the electronic sensors are not that famous yet. Thus, the Honda CR-Z is not equipped with all those gizmos like the Honda Lane Watch or the Honda Sensing Safety Suite. But the car is still equipped with the dual airbag as well as the side curtain airbag, together with the standard ABS, EBD, VSA, just to name a few. And if you are coming from the 2022 and sit in the CR-Z for the first time, you'll notice that the dashboard design is too futuristic. Compared to the most modern car today, the dashboard is much more minimalist and straightforward. The cockpit is very driver-centric, with all the buttons are pointed and placed near the driver's hand. The aircon vent is generous in this small hatch, with 2 vents each for the front occupant. One thing that the owner has changed inside here is the original in-car entertainment system, with this low-spec infotainment system to today's standard. The owner changed the in-car entertainment system straight away when he got a car, because the need of the reverse camera, to show that how some people are annoyed with the rear split windscreen. There's nothing much going on inside here as the design is pretty straightforward. with the two cup holder placed underneath the infotainment system. One thing I do like is the front seat design, with its semi-bucket design. I got a good lumbar support but a little bit lack of a thigh support as I am 180 cm tall. But I think it is okay for a long journey. The seat is quite low and I can feel the sporty presence from the inside of the car. Now, let's check the rear seat. You can access the rear seat by pulling this lever here and pull the front seat forward. The rear seat is shallow and it's like you are sitting on the car floor. I don't think I'll survive back here even for a short journey to Mama. The rear seat is actually not even suitable for an adult to sit in. It is designed for small kids, but then they will be sitting too low to see what is happening outside. I am 180 cm tall. As you guys can see, I don't even have a space for my headroom. Not even a knee space for myself. That's it. Now let's go see how the car drives. We'll see how the CVT version drives first. First of all, Honda claims the CR-Z as the hybrid sports car, and I'm a little bit skeptical about anything CVT. They are noisy and I don't like the rubber band effect where the car feels a little bit slow at first before they get the momentum in high gear to move the car. But in this CR-Z, kudos to Honda as the CVT is the best feeling ever in an automatic car. It doesn't feel the lack of power and the power delivery are immediate. Honda CR-Z are much more fun to drive on a twisty road like this compared to the highway speeding. The CR-Z is equipped with a McPherson strut up front and the torsion beam setup for the rear suspension. The steering feedback is superb where it follows my input precisely. I can feel the car is planted to the ground thanks to its shorter wheelbase and lower center of gravity. I forgot to mention earlier that this facelift model are equipped with this S-Plus button, which in normal layman term is like a nitro boost where it draws the juice from the electric motor. With the battery registered full and X-Plus is activated at about 100 km per hour, you will feel the sudden urgency of 3 litre V6 for a good 10 seconds. The Honda CR-Z is not for sale anymore in Honda showroom, only after a good 4 years of production. But you still can get your hand on the good condition CR-Z in a second-hand market for just under 60,000 ringgit. That's actually quite a bargain if you compare with the new price, which is tagged at 120,000 ringgit when the hybrid tax incentive was introduced back then in 2011. And it is priced at 180,000 ringgit when the incentive was discontinued. That is 60,000 ringgit price difference just for the tax alone. The Honda CR-Z is a good car with lower fuel consumption. Well, it's hybrid anyway. And it also comes with a good handling as well. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification button as well. We still have the manual version to test later on in the next video. I'm X signing off for this week's video. Remember that we are the Honda guys. We are all about Hondas. See you guys. Bye.